Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Beverage Trade Network is hiring for social media manager role. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Beverage Trade Network is one of the world's leading drink media companies. We are looking for an enthusiastic and ambitious candidate to join the BTN's marketing team. The ideal candidate is hard-working team player who will play a critical role in creating original digital content across various social media platforms. Responsibilities under this role are: develop social media strategy, create original content, provide data analysis and metric reporting to the business unit head, execute and do social media, work with graphic designers, grow a community of the social media accounts. Qualifications are: proficiency in many social media platforms, fluency in tools like Canva is a bonus, very good spoken and written English is needed. Hybrid and remote work from Mumbai. Let's get to know about the company. Beverage Trade Network is one of the world's leading network for beverages, wine, spirits and beer importers, distributors, producers and related companies. Our database and directory listing of the world's leading beer, wine, spirit and non-alcoholic drink producers provides our importers and distributors with an advantage to source and innovate their portfolios. For producers, we expand your distribution and connect you directly to thousands of wine importers, wine distributors, beer importers, beer distributors, liquor distributors and other beverage distributors and brokers. Buyers are looking for new products on BTN every day. For buyers, our service allows producers, distributors and other professional buyers of the alcoholic beverage and non-alcoholic beverage industry to easily locate and contact each other. Our focus is to be the one-stop sourcing point for you and offer products that add value to your portfolio and helping your lead by innovation and stay competitive. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this easy apply button. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फॉर मोर लेटेस्ट जॉब अपडेट्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.